Hey everyone! So today is Ella's first birthday and it's a Sunday, so we're actually having her birthday party today too. So I wanted to show you guys the birthday girl and I wanted to vlog today. It's actually around 1 o'clock. I was hoping to start vlogging in the morning but just didn't work out. So I wanted to share with you guys our day and celebrating her first birthday. So I want to go ahead and show you the decorations. Her birthday party is a Winter Wonderland themed. Here at our door, my mom made this sign. It's a Winter Wonderland sign, and I think it looks so cute. Let me go ahead and show you inside. Okay, so here is the entryway table. Over here we have a picture my brother-in-law took some for 1 year pictures, and then most of the handmade decorations were made by my mom. Then my sister-in-law made this chalkboard sign. It turned out so cute. She's always made the chalkboard sign for the kids' first birthdays. And then we have some goodie bags. I made this sign. This snowflake was from the dollar store and I just painted it and wrote "Thanks so much for coming." And then I just have some like dollar spot decorations and things to make it Winter Wonderland. And then that's the wreath I had made. Over here is like the main party room area. So what I did was I hung up these white curtains we already had, and then I put Christmas lights like in between, and then my mom made this Happy Birthday Ella banner, and then this my other sister-in-law made for Ella, her smash cake, and then I made some cupcakes and snowflake cookies, and then some more pictures that my brother-in-law took of Ella, and then this one some friends of ours at church took some newborn pictures of her. So that's one of her newborn pictures. And then just a bunch of different like Christmas trees, and I just wanted like a really like Wonderland natural look. And then here are her 12-month pictures here. And then if you saw my DIY and decor challenge, this is I made that garland in that challenge and I used it for here. And then my mom and I put this high chair banner together, and then some balloons, and then there's the birthday girl. Hi, birthday girl. Can you say hi? With Nanny and Papa. Can you say hi? How old is Ella? One. Okay, then over here is like the drink station. So I just have different things there, but I thought it turned out really cute. And then some more pictures of Ella, and then I put snowflakes like all over the ceiling. They're hanging. And then I did kind of like a hot chocolate station over here. So I found some pink candy canes. We're gonna put some milk in there, and then some like peppermint and pink marshmallows, and then we hung some more snowflakes there. Then this is like a snack mixture, and then different cookies, and then the little water bottles, and then balloons and more snowflakes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ella. Happy birthday to you. Ready, Ella? One. Can you blow? Blow the candle. 1, 2, 3. Can you blow it? Yay! Okay. Oh, so yummy. Oh my goodness, so delicious. Snow snack. What do you want? You want more cake? You want more cake? Yeah. Cool, dude. Hi, beautiful Princess Anna.
Hi.
How are you? Are you guys playing? Let's go see the birthday princess. There's the birthday princess. Ella. Ella, what are you eating?
She's eating.
Are you eating quiche? Are you eating quiche? Yummy.
That's it. Cool, buddy.
Party is over. It was a success. We are totally pooped because it's been non-stop, but we had a super fun time. And it's always nice seeing like family that we haven't seen in a while, because we have a lot of extended family that live close to us, but life just gets busy. So it's always nice to have an excuse to get together. And Miss Ella was a little bit overwhelmed by all the people, but she had fun. Right, Boo-Boo? Are you having a nice birthday? So she's going to open her birthday present. I still haven't wrapped her gift. She might just be opening the box because I'm really tired. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I can wrap it.
I hold it?
What was your favorite thing about today?
My favorite, it was a birthday cake.
Birthday cake? What was your favorite thing about today, Leah?
My favorite thing about today is when we had our friends come over.
Our cousins? Yeah, we love cousins. They're the best.
When we play
They make
together.
great friends, huh?
We
Yep.
always make great friends.
Yep. And the birthday girl, what did you love? Did you love your first cake? Did you love having your first cake?
And I love taking pictures too.
Can you show everyone your cute outfit? What does it say? Ella is 1. Is that the balloon? We just finished opening up presents, and this is what we got Ella for her first birthday. It's this Melissa and Doug Fold and Go Princess Castle. And it's for older, but I thought it would be something she could grow into. And I love that everything, like you could put the pieces inside and everything folds. So we got her that. The kids are playing with it right now. And I thought it would be great, something they could play with all together. And then with that, we got the furniture set and then the doll set. So I thought that would be something she can use for many years. Ella, do you like your castle? Can you walk? You want to walk? So I am sitting here with Ella, feeling all the emotions of like the end of her like first birthday. Come here, Ella. Come here. So here she is, the birthday girl. You can walk. She takes steps, but she's not walking. Like she'll take like 2 or 3 steps. Yeah. Who is that cutie? You want to walk? You want to walk? You see the balloon? And we are just cleaning up from the party aftermath. But I think she had a good day. I mean, it was pretty much revolved around the party, so we didn't do like anything else besides that. It was like getting ready for that. And but I am emotional because we don't know. This will probably be our last. We haven't decided for sure yet, but it's a little bit more emotional when you're not sure if you're gonna have any more kids. So it is emotional for me to have her as possibly my last baby. People kiss? People kiss? Do you get dirty? Aw, you giving me kisses? You laying down? You laying down? Aw, you snuggling. So it's a couple of days later, and I never had a chance to close out the vlog because that night Ella ended up throwing up everywhere. She has started this thing, I would say about a month and a half, 2 months ago, where if I put her down and she wakes up, she will start crying and then she'll make herself throw up. So she used to not do that. She used to put herself to sleep, no problem. And then suddenly she started doing that, so I like got scared to like put her down awake because I didn't want her throwing up. But sometimes she'll like wake up and I'll come downstairs, and by the time I go back upstairs, she's already throwing up. So she doesn't do it all the time, but she does do it often enough that I don't know what to do. So if you've ever gone through this with any of your kids, let me know, because the other kids, we never had gone through something like that. So she goes to the pediatrician on Friday, and I'm going to talk to him to see what he thinks. But I'm kind of stumped because she wakes up often enough where I'm like, I kind of want to leave her, but I obviously don't want her throwing up. So I'm kind of stuck and don't know what to do. So anyways, I kind of wanted to do like a year update of Ella and kind of talk a little bit about her personality and things before I close out the vlog. So she is just a fun little girl. I'm disappointed that I wasn't able to get tons of clips of her, but she in the middle of the party got very sad because she was very tired and she fell asleep and woke up very overwhelmed. But then she got like settled and more comfortable, but it was just so busy that I didn't have a chance to film. So I definitely would like to vlog because it's going to be off for a week, and I want to vlog to kind of capture some moments of our family, because I feel like so many times we're so busy that I can't like stop to capture the moments because I have to finish what we're doing. So anyways, but she is such a sweet and sassy little girl. Like she just you could tell she's sentimental. Like if one of the big kids gets hurt, like she'll come over right away and start like tapping them to make sure they're okay, and like we'll kiss them, and like she's very sentimental in that. But then she's also sassy. Like she'll she'll like egg you on. Like she started making like a scream sound at the dinner table, and the big kids started laughing, so then she kept doing it over and over and over again. And then she'll start like yelling at like waving her fingers and yelling at the big kids, because I'm always yelling at the big kids. So it's really fun to see her. It's really fun and bittersweet to see her turning into like a little toddler, because you can definitely see that she wants to be just like the big kids. You can see her always trying to keep up, and it just makes me sad because I feel like she's not a baby anymore, and I feel like she's becoming like big girl. So I'm definitely excited to see all the things that God has in store for her and see her little personality develop. But it's also bittersweet. So anyways, she has started taking steps and walking, so that is exciting and stressful all at the same time. I told Chris, I'm like, I'm not looking forward to when she starts climbing our couch, because since we have a sectional, there's a whole piece of it open that is not against the wall. So I feel like when she starts climbing over the couch, that's like so dangerous. So not looking forward to that, but definitely looking forward to seeing her little personality develop. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed seeing all the decorations on all of that stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. And now she's awake again. See what I mean, guys? She wakes up so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.